Welcome to our teacher app. I am your math teacher. Today we are going to discuss about polynomials in class 10th. First we will see what is a polynomial. Polynomial is nothing but is the combination of the elements or finite collection or finite sum of terms which are in the form of a power a into x power n. So that means some elements will be in the form of a into x power n. Such elements either x power cube, ax cube, and a bx square, cx cube, like that. All these elements, if you club together or add together, so that is called a polynomial. Polynomial is nothing but a sum of finite elements which are in the form of a into x power n. So different types of polynomials. So that means a polynomial is suppose if you take a monomial, binomial, trinomial, and a multinomial. All these are called a polynomial only. Now before that, now the next topic is in the polynomials. We are going to discuss about zero of the polynomial. What is called zero of the polynomial? Zero of the polynomial. What is zero of the polynomial means? If you consider a polynomial p of x equal to a particular element. Suppose here I am writing p of x is equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 4. If you consider in that polynomial, if you substitute any element or any number in the place of x, which number gives answer as 0, that number is called zero of the polynomial. That means for what value we will get the value of the given polynomial is 0, such number is called zero of the polynomial. Next, what is the topic? Next one is degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. So degree of the polynomial is nothing but, see here, this is the polynomial we considered. In that, out of 3 terms, which term is having the highest power, that is called degree of the polynomial. Here see, the power is 2, here the power is 1, and here no power. So out of 3, highest power is 2. So we will consider degree of the polynomial is 2. So this is the degree of the polynomial. This is the way to find. Suppose some polynomials will contain see 3x square y plus 4x cube z square, like that some expressions will be. So these are also we can find easily. See, find the sum of the each and every monomial. See here 2 plus 1 and here 3 plus 2. So this is 5 and this is 3. So out of this 5 is the bigger one. So 5 is the degree of the polynomial, we'll say. Next, third one is value of the polynomial. Value of the polynomial. Value of the polynomial. What is called value of the polynomial? Value of the polynomial is nothing but, see, in the polynomial, if you substitute x plus 1, you will get one answer. X plus 4, you will get different answer. X plus 100, you will get another answer. So which value of x you need, that gives the value of the polynomial. That means what value we are going to substitute in the place of x, for that we will get a definite value, that is called the value of the polynomial. So these are the main 3 points in the polynomials. At the beginning of the topic we will discuss. Next, find the zeros of the polynomial. What are the zeros of the polynomial? Already here explained zero of the polynomial. So zero of the polynomial, which value gives the answer of the polynomial as 0, that is called zero of the polynomial. Now with the graphical representation, how to find zero of the polynomial? See, zero of the polynomial graphical representation. Suppose if you take the graph sheet like this, any curve which cuts the x-axis gives the zero of the polynomial. See, suppose you take the first curve. See, this is a 1, minus 1, and this is minus 2, this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 0. So a curve, see, I am taking like this. A curve is taken like this. Now this curve is having is touching x-axis at 3 point, first point, second point, third point. So this curve will have 3 zeros of the polynomial. Suppose you take another line. This line is not at all touching x-axis, so this line will not have zeros of the polynomial. So by considering the graph where it is touching x-axis, that gives 0 of the polynomial. And next we are going to discuss about quadratic polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial? Polynomial which is having highest degree as a quadratic polynomial. The polynomial with degree 1 is called linear polynomial, and the polynomial which is having highest power 3 as called cubic polynomial. Now, any polynomial which is having highest power 2 as called as a quadratic polynomial. So, next fourth point is quadratic polynomial. So, polynomial which is having highest power is 2 is called quadratic polynomial. So, in that, suppose ax square plus bx plus c is the standard notation of the quadratic equation or quadratic polynomial. Now, for this, if you find sum of roots, see sum of roots means definitely according to the highest power we can say how many zeros of the polynomial will be. So, for this polynomial, 2 zeros of the polynomial. So, sum of zeros, we will write sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a is the formula, and the product of zeros is equal to c by a is the formula. Now, we have to verify. They will ask in the examination verify. Verify means what to do is you will get the 2 roots for this one. So, first you add the 2 roots and equate with the equation, so that you will get ABC values. Whether when you directly add the zeros of the polynomial is equal to with the equation b by a value, if you substitute both are getting equal or not, then that is called verification of the zeros of the polynomial. And for the next one, fifth one is cubic polynomial, cubic polynomials. For this also we will have sum of the zeros. See, that is a sum of zeros. That is, we will consider here alpha plus beta is equal to, this is alpha plus beta. Next one is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, and last one is alpha beta gamma. So these are the 3 expressions we will have. The first one is minus b by a. Second one is c by a, and the last one is minus d by a. So this is the difference between the quadratic polynomial and the cubic polynomial. So here we will find 3 zeros of the polynomial, then 3 numbers they will give, 1 polynomial they will give. Whether these 3 are satisfying the polynomial or not, we have to check. If you substitute the values in the given polynomial, if you get all the values are 0, the 3 are the zeros of the given polynomial we will write. Then we have to verify with the help of this one. So first you take first one as alpha, second one as beta, third one as gamma. You verify with the formula which are given here. So these are the main topics which we deal in the polynomials topic.